Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tisha Marie, and today I am going to be reviewing this wig that was sent over to me from Unice Hair. Unice is sponsoring today's video, but as always, I want to give you guys a short little disclaimer that even though this is a sponsored video, all of the opinions that I have about this hair are my own, whether it be good or bad. If you guys are interested in seeing me unbox and install this wig and letting you guys know what I think about it, then let's go ahead and get right into the video. Unice Hair sent me their new 24-inch Blendaway HD lace wig. If y'all are familiar with Unice Hair, y'all know it comes in this cute pink box. Inside, as usual, you've got all of the things that you need for your wig, your melting band, your wig cap, and then we've got our wig. I do love that Unice always packages their hair really nicely. This is supposed to be like their most transparent and the thinnest lace that they have. You've got your band to make sure that you can wear the wig glueless. You also have this grip all throughout the inside of the wig so that on your head nice and secure. Take a look at this lace because it's supposed to be like pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. So that's how it's looking up against my skin. And that's without me putting any foundation or like any powder or anything on the wig. I am going to tint the lace just a little bit just to make sure that it matches my forehead when I put this on. But other than that, I'm not doing anything else to this wig because everything has already been done to it. Because I feel like this will be super easy for people that have a hard time putting on wigs and like customizing it and everything. So let me pull my hair back and then we'll put her on and see how it looks. And if y'all know anything about me, y'all know that I don't know how to braid. I don't know how to do cornrows. I always just pull my hair back into a little bun just so that we still got a nice flat foundation to work with. So I just got my hair pulled back into a little bun and I'm gonna put my wig cap on it. Got y'all zoomed in so we can see how this wig is gonna look. Oh, and I didn't even show y'all, this wig came pre-styled too. Like, ain't that crazy? Like, it's already curled and everything. If you don't know how to cut your lace, pluck your lace, lay your lace down, curl your wig, it's looking like Unice got us covered. But before I speak too soon, let's put this wig on first and see how it actually looks. Y'all, this wig is not even glued down on my head. Y'all just saw me put this on and the lace practically disappeared. I haven't done any like hot combing or anything to it. It looks pre-plucked to me. Like, you can't see the line of demarcation, and I have not melted this. This lace is so flat. I do think that I want to like kind of customize my lace a little bit more though. So I'm gonna do that so it's not just like straight across. This is how the hair is looking. It does have some curls. I'm gonna comb them out a little bit because they are a little bit too tight for me. And I think I'm gonna use a little bit of spray on the lace. Melt it down just a little bit more. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig band on. I'm gonna go ahead and take this wig band off and see how the lace looks. All right, so this is how the wig is looking, y'all. I did cut a long little choppy layer right here in the front. I think the hair is pretty, and the lace, I feel like the lace is pretty undetectable. I did kind of go in and customize my lace a little bit more because there's a technique that I've been seeing going around like TikTok and stuff that I wanted to try. I don't know, I feel like I did pretty good. It made the hairline look, because I wanted to like change the curvature of the hairline instead of it just being straight. But I didn't even have to do anything with this hairline, y'all. Like, it looked good. It was pre-plucked and everything. My baby hairs were already like poking out and I didn't feel like pushing them back and brushing them back and everything. This is a closure wig. It's not a frontal. I think it looks really good. And it is really long. So I'm only 5'1". I'll show y'all how long this wig comes. So it's going down past my waist. And then I'll show y'all the back of the wig. And I know that I thoroughly enjoy a middle part, but you don't have to wear this wig as a middle part if you don't want to. You can definitely do like a side part or like a half up, half down. And this is how it looks if you style it into a side part. I didn't put any type of curling iron to this hair. These are just the curls that it came with, and I think that it still looks really nice. So this is how the hairline looks. So that is it for this install on this Unice Blendaway HD lace wig. I think the thing that I like the most about this wig is just how thin this lace is. I do really like that about this wig, and it feels really nice and comfortable on my head too. So as usual, all of the details about this wig and where you can purchase it will be linked down below in the description box if you guys are interested in checking that out. And thanks once again to Unice for sponsoring today's video and for sending me this hair over to review. Thank you guys for tuning in again today. If you like this type of content, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And I will see y'all in the next video. All right, bye.